In this video, you'll see how easy to install the DRM-cli. First, let's get inside the DRM-cli folder. To install the DRM-cli in interactive mode, run the install Python script. Enter installation type or press enter to use the default choice. Enter encryption key to secure your sensitive data or press enter to skip. Finally, select a directory where DRM-cli is going to be installed in. Easy, right? Let's go into the new installed DRM-cli and open up its configuration file. Inside you can see when was the DRM-cli installed, the installation type, and that is currently not secured.